Hey guys, it's Marks here, and we have another unboxing video for you today. Today we're looking at the M4 Pro Mac Mini, and this, like I said, is the M4 Pro chip. Take a look at the stats on the back, I should say the specs. This right here is the 24 GB RAM version with the 512 SSD, and like I said, it's got the Apple M4 Pro chip. So let's get to the unboxing. Time to open up that box and get to the stripping. I do love how this is going to sound. Here we go. Let's see. So satisfying. And the next bit at the top, let's get this part off as well. Just as satisfying. Thank you, Apple, for that. Oh, and around the box, it just says Mac Mini with the image of the Mac Mini itself on the top. So obviously, let's get inside the box and see the baby itself. And here we go. This is your Mac Mini. Very small, much smaller than even I anticipated. Let's take it out and see what it actually feels like. Yeah, it's very light in the hands, guys. Very light. I mean, look at this as well in terms of size. Fits to the palm of my hand. I'm literally holding it on 4 fingers. Got some paper around it, so let's get that off. Usually I do a terrible job and butcher these, but I'm determined not to today. So let's see how it goes. Don't rip too hard. Okay, yeah. This bit here. Yep, I've done it. I've managed to do it. So here we go. This is the Mac Mini with the M4 Pro chip. On the back, what do we have? We've got your power port, obviously. You've also got your Ethernet port, HDMI, and Thunderbolt 5. You get 3 of those. On the standard M4 chip, you get Thunderbolt 4 ports on the back. But here we've got the Thunderbolt 5. And let's give it a little turn around to see what's on the front. And you've got another 2 USB-C ports. These are not Thunderbolts. And obviously you've got your headphone port here and a little bit of power in terms of the light. Underneath, hope you can see this, it says Mac Mini. So a little bit of Mac Mini writing on the thing. And then you've got the power button here, which has caused so much controversy. Me personally, I don't mind because I never really turn it off. But yeah, that's all it is. So let's see what else is inside the box. Obviously the Apple logo on top of the Mac Mini itself. Let me put this down and take a look at what else we have here. Just open up this box. And you've got your power lead. So hopefully I don't butcher opening this one as well. So yeah, you've got power lead here. This is a threaded power lead. Hopefully you guys will get to see that in a second. I'm just going to unwrap this real quick. Okay, and yeah, like I said, you have your threaded power lead. Nice feel to it. Black in color. As you can see, very obvious I'm stating here. And that's about it. That's your power. And inside the box, you've got your Apple paperwork, basically standard stuff, nothing special. Nobody ever reads these, I'm sure. But I'm not going to bother opening it. So it's just a bit of paperwork. No stickers. They stopped doing that. So we're just going to put it back in there. And that's that. So yeah, this is your Mac Mini. Like I said, pretty much on the front of it, you just get your USB-C. On the back, you get your power, Ethernet, and HDMI, 3 Thunderbolt 5, and I'll show you the front again so you can get to see that. Here's the power on the side there, and like I said, yes, 2 USB-Cs, and then your headphone jack, and obviously the power light, and that's it. That's it for your Mac Mini. So one thing I wanted to do was just compare the size for you guys, because a lot of people have been talking about it, the size comparison. So let's take a look and see exactly how small this is. I've got a couple of items I'm going to show you. Put this down here. And here we have a teaspoon. Yep, just a normal teaspoon. And as you can see, the teaspoon is just slightly taller than the Mac Mini. That's how small it is. And I'll put that to the side and get the actual tea cup. Little minions, love. And the cup itself is just slightly smaller in terms of height than the Mac Mini itself. So that gives you an idea of just how small the Mac Mini is. It really is such a tiny and unique device. So yeah, that's all you guys get in a box. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, give me a little thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for a lot more content coming soon. And I'll see you in the next video.